What's going on, everyone? Got this, there we go, lock from Covert Instruments. It's a repinnable lock, but funny story, pinned it up with 5 pins, and of course, you know, special pins, whatnot. I've not been able to open it since I've done it, so we're gonna stick this in it and see what happens. Maybe we make a new lock. Maybe we get it open. But in future, I will probably be progressive pinning this because it's kind of ridiculous. Slipped off. Good counter rotation. All set. Binding on 5. Very deep cut. More false set. Binding on 4 now. Might have overset that. Had to. Let's see what popped out. 3 now. Tension a little bit. Good click, might overset a little bit. Maybe something 1. Hmm, 3 is overset. Let's see if I can do this. Back to 4. Wait. Still good. Keep kind of playing back and forth with this. Every time I let off tension, I go deeper to a false set, which means I need to pick this one and not overset it. That felt good. That felt good. 1 again. What is holding us now? 4. God. There we go. Jesus. Wow. All right. This video is long enough, but coming up I will ungrub screw this and show you what I'm working with and why this thing is so tricky. But thank you all. See you in the next one and have a good day.